I'm getting that red green light. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay, what that's supposed to mean is that the deadbolt's on. So this is just a regular guest key. You're getting that signal there. Show you how to fix that. See, the deadbolt's not on. The problem is here is we have this reversed here. Let me show you how to get in there and fix that problem on the ONITY door locks. Okay, let's get in there. The T10. There's your problem right there. This switch, when it's open, it's telling you that the deadbolt's engaged. So this is just gotta be closed. What we have to do is switch this. So let's take it off. So just turn this from there to there. See how it's closed now? And install it that way. Let's go ahead and try it. There it is, we're in. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.